Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can delete your MoneyGram account. So, the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, make sure that you have completed or canceled all pending transfers, and this will ensure that your account closure is smooth and secure. So, after logging into your MoneyGram account, you will go to help section, which is right here. So, just go ahead and click that, and then you will click contact us, and then what you will do here is you will select general questions or feedback for this. So now what you will do is fill out all of this. So make sure that you have the your correct first name, last name, and then your either your email or mobile number. And then for the additional information, you will just have to provide as much information as you can so that they will be able to process your request much faster. So you will just have to click other, and then for the message you will have to be specific for your request. So you will basically just have to of course your description, you have to make sure that uh your reason for deleting your account is valid, or that you have your reason for deleting your account. So for example, the title of your submission is deletion of account. Then you'll just have to yeah, select that to type that title, and then for description, for a more specific description of deletion of account. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. And then after you're done, you will just have to click submit, and you will just have to wait for MoneyGram to actually answer your request. And yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.